Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Inventor. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the extrude with taper angle to create the base, and create an offset plane. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and we will make the base. The base is a rectangle with 60 millimeters by 80 millimeters, and we needed to extrude this using a taper angle of 20 degrees. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Let me rotate this here. And here, select the rectangle and select the 2-point center. Click here in the midpoint. Make a rectangle here with 60 millimeters by 80 millimeters. And now finish the sketch and go to extrude, and we will extrude this 25 millimeters with taper angle of 20 degrees. So the distance here will be 25 millimeters, but we will change the direction, and the taper angle is 20 degrees. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this part here. It is a circle with 30 millimeters of diameter, and we will extrude this 155 minus 42. We will extrude this here, okay, from this face to this point here. So let's make this. Go to sketch and select the top face to create a sketch. Select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 30 millimeters of diameter, and finish the sketch. Go to extrude, and the distance here is 155 minus 42 millimeters, and press OK. We made this, the extrusion here, the distance here, okay? And now we will select the front plane and make this sketch. We will make these two circles here with 50 millimeters of radius and 40 millimeters of radius. And the distance between the center of the circle and this face here is 155 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to sketch, and here in origin, select XY plane and select a circle. Make a circle here with 100 millimeters of diameter, and another circle concentric with 8 millimeters of diameter. And go to dimension. The distance between this point here and the midpoint is 155 millimeters. And here we need to make this vertical with the midpoint. So go to vertical constraint, select this point and select the midpoint. Now we needed to extrude this. So go to extrude, select this area, and the distance here is 40 millimeters. So the direction, select a symmetric, and the distance here 40 millimeters. The operation join and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this cut. So to create this cut, we will create a new plane here at this point. So we will create an offset plane with 155 millimeters of distance of this face here. So let's create this plane. Go here to plane and select offset from plane. Click here, select this face. The distance here is 155 and press OK. And now go to create a sketch and select this new plane. Press F7 on the keyboard, select the circle. We will create a circle here with 30 millimeters of diameter, and we'll make a cut with 42 millimeters of distance. So make a circle here in the center with 30 millimeters. and finish the sketch. Go to extrude, and the operation here, the output is cut. The distance here, 42 millimeters, and press OK. And now we will create this cut here in the top of this body. So to create this, we will create this sketch here, and at the midpoint we will create a circle here with 25 millimeters of diameter. The radius is here, and we will create a rectangle here with 18 millimeters by 42 millimeters, okay? Because we have 40 millimeters here. So let's make this. Go to Start Sketch, select this plane again, press F7 on the keyboard, select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 25 millimeters of diameter, and select center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here with 18 millimeters by 42, and press OK. And finish the sketch. Go to Extrude. We will select this area. Okay. And the operation here, the output is cut, and flip the direction here. And the distance here, select through all. And press OK. Hide this plane here. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.